my channel. So today we are going to see what happened on last Friday. Okay, so this can also bring some insight for tomorrow, that is for 25th. Okay, let's get started with the positive percentage for stocks. M&M, Maruti and BHEL are on the positive side. On the negative side we have Grasim 2% down, other Asian Paints 2% down, and Adani Entertainment 2% down. Okay, now we'll go to the pre-open section. It was a flat open for Nifty. When you check for Bank Nifty, it was flat, and when you check all, it was kind of bullish to sideways. Okay, so you could see 900, 600. Okay, now we'll go on to the Nifty Trader website where we are going to check for FII data. So I'm not premium. Let's check just the basic version. So this is the FII we are going to check. Okay, and they have also given the insight here. Okay, let's not bother about that. For 20-second we are checking. So long means buy position, short means sell position, put short acts as the support, and call short acts as the resistance. Let's see what happens here. 23,194, clearly sellers are winning here. And then when you check call short 44, and this is 23, so clearly resistance is being added in the market. So let's see what happens. We'll check for stocks as well because that's also going to give us some insight. So what we are going to check is we are going to check this data. Yes, okay, so I marked it right. So long, short, call short and put short. So you could see here 35 and 21. So clearly long, they are bullish with these stocks. And then here it is 11. And then here it is 86. Sorry, 112 versus 86. So here clearly resistance is more. Okay. So as of now, resistance is very good with the market. And there's a chance, unless until we see a good profit booking, it's a bit tough for the upcoming quarter of the year. Okay, so we have 27th holiday where double decay is possible. Results for 25, none. So tomorrow there's chance that markets can go sideways. HDFC Bank is announcing bonus, so that can be seen as positive, and tomorrow there's a chance that HDFC can go up. Vedanta is giving dividends. So that's it. When you check economic calendar for 25th, we have USA news, and on 27th, so nothing much. So it should go smoothly sideways, and I'm expecting, because HDFC is giving bonus, so price action should go up. Now we'll see the day OI. So we'll see the build up range around for Nifty. So 25k CE is building here, so 25k is going to be very challenging for this week. When you check for Bank Nifty, it's 55,500 CE. Finnifty, Midcap Nifty, same way you can observe. So not gonna explain that. This is Nifty, and clearly you could see how the build-up has happened for this week. And we'll check for Bank Nifty. Call writing is equally built for Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. Call writers are strictly on the upper side. Now I'll do some price action for straddle. Let's take the trading view. When you check for open, so I have to improve the count. So Nifty, so this is Nifty charts. So you could see clearly bearish. When you check for open, this is 2550, the red one. I'll unselect everything else, and then you could see it was a negative decay. So from 250 it just went up to 264, which is just 20 points minus, because the price action was very good. Now resistance was strong from price action, you could see, and weak support. support was weak. Or this strike, when you see, open was here and close was 164. Okay, so it was the minus decay of almost, let's keep as round number, 20 points. Okay, now whenever markets are trending like this, we will see the negative decay. When you calculate P&L, one lot for Nifty is 75 times the decay is negative here, which is minus 20. Okay, so this times this is sorry, I made 158. Yes, that's correct. So this is the negative 1500, which is for the strike 20,050. Okay, now let's try to do some more analysis. So you could see here, when market touches 25, it was bouncing back again. Here it was the opportunity for long straddle, and again at here almost at 130, here also long straddle were getting a very good chance. Okay, so here it was the chance for short straddle. So almost in 20 to 30 points all the SL was available for that month. Okay, now we will go to Bank Nifty BNF. When you check BNF open, it's 5600, same. So it is though having a monthly expiry, right? So it was a profitable trade. Okay, when you keep here, so 650 to 634, so this was a profitable trade, definitely because of the fast decay in the second half. Okay, so that's it guys. So we'll just move on to the price action chart to understand what was happening here. Okay, so let me move back here, and then I'm not going to explain from the start. We'll just try to recap what happened here. Let me add one more line because we have got the week 4 as well. So this is basically week 4. Okay, now this is August. I'll change to the light color. So this was week 1, week 2, week 3, and now we have entered into week 4. So pretty much you could see open and then close. So this should be a positive decay for the monthly expiry for Bank Nifty. Here also you see open and close almost similar. Monthly expiry was positive decay. So what this week is I'm expecting is, and price action should be between 25,000 to 600, and for Bank Nifty it should be between 56,000 to 55,500. So this should be the price action. That's it guys, thank you.